Atomic weights. Recall most atoms exist in nature as isotopes, and any given sample of an element contains isotopes. Therefore, an average mass of the atoms is obtained to produce an average atomic mass, which we can use for our stoichiometry calculations. Here are isotopes of carbon, which exists in nature at about 99% carbon-12 and about 1% carbon-13, with a trace of carbon-14 and other isotopes. The image shows carbon from the periodic table. We have reviewed the name, atomic number, and elemental symbol. The elemental information also includes the average atomic weight. The average atomic weight for carbon is 12.011 AMU. That means that on average, each carbon atom weighs 12.011 AMU. For our calculations, 2 decimal places will suffice. We'll use 12.01 AMU for carbon, for example. AMUs are atomic mass units. Let's review how these values are determined. Here is the calculation of the average atomic mass for natural carbon. The results from the mass spectrometer shows that 98.89% of the carbon has a mass number of 12, and 1.1% has a mass number of 13. Multiplying each mass by its percentage, or fraction, then summing the values, gives an average atomic weight of 12.01 AMU. For stoichiometric purposes, assume that carbon is composed of only one type of atom with a mass of 12.01.